Hello children, this is your reader book of class 6. Now we are going to start its first lesson, which is a poem A Night Rain in Summer. Okay, here is the poem A Night Rain in Summer. Here a child is sitting near the window and looking outside the window a sight of rain. Rain is falling, so the child is looking out of the window and he is expressing the feelings of his heart. Now let's see in the poem. Open the window and let the air freshly blow upon face and hair. Here child says that he wants to open the window and let the air come inside the room and let it touch his face and hair. Children, you know, when the air used to touch the face and hair, it looks very thrilling now, and it used to refresh our face and mind also, and fill the room as it fills the night with the breath of the rain sweet might. With the breath of the rain's sweet might. Now he further says that the air should fill the full room and it should fill the night also. Means with the rain, the outside air was coming inside the room, and just like the light of the night, just as the light in the night fills the room, it will also fill the room, and it will also fill the room with the sweet smell of the rain. You know children, when the rain falls on the ground, the smell of the soil, it smells very nice. The fragrance of the soil is very nice. Not a blink shall burn tonight in my chamber of sordid light. Now the poet says that today in my chamber, in my room, I will not open any light, any type of lamp I will not burn. Only the natural light will be there in the room. No sordid light. He don't want to open any sordid light, any artificial unpleasant light. Means no bulb, no LEDs, nothing. He only want to sit in the light of the nature, that is moonlight. Not will I have not a window pane twixt me and the air and the great good rain. Again he used to say, I have nothing. Not means nothing. I have nothing between me and the natural beauty. Even a window pane is not there. Window is also open and no pane. No window pane is there between the poet and the air and the rain. Whichever shall sing me sharp lullabies, and God's own darkness shall close mine eyes. Here the poet says the lullabies of the nature, which is the melodious song of the night. Children, what is the lullabies? Lullabies is the lories which your mother used to tell you while you are sleeping. While you are going to sleep on the bed, your mother used to tell the small melodious songs, that is called lullabies. In Hindi it is called lori. Okay, lullabies means lori, a song which is sung by the mother to make the child sleep, that is called lullabies. Okay, so in this beautiful natural sight, the wind's sound, the sound of the nature, that is the sound of the air, it is just like the lullabies, which and God's own darkness shall close mine eyes. And you know, I will sleep because of these lullabies and because of the darkness of God, that is night's darkness. I will not put any strip or any cloth on my eyes. Just because of the night darkness, I will go to sleep. And I will sleep with all things blessed. Means whatever God has given me, whatever God has blessed me, I will sleep with the help of all these natural things and in the pure earth shadow of natural rest. And then I will go to sleep, that is the natural rest. In natural condition with the help of all these natural things, enjoying all these natural sights. Children, I hope you enjoyed this poem very nicely and it is quite understanding to you. If any problem is there, tomorrow in my online class you can make your doubts clear. Okay? So now I am again telling you that the poet of this poem is James Leigh Hunt. Who is the poet? James Leigh Hunt. And what is name of the poem? A Night Rain in Summer. What is the season of this poem? Summer season. Okay. Now children, here are some question answers just below this poem. 6 questions in understand and answer exercise, and 1 question in think and appreciate. I will send all these answers of these questions in PDF form. Okay children, I will send all these answers in PDF form on your RRB website. Okay. So just note down from there and look this video nicely. Children, one more thing I want to tell you, that each line has at the last one rhyming word, like air, hair. Here first line air matches with hair. In third line night matches with might. So air matches with hair and night matches with might. Similarly, in second stanza, night matches with light and window pane. Pane matches with rain. Okay. Here in third stanza, lullabies matches with eyes, blessed matches with rest. Okay, these are called rhyming words. Okay, and children, if I give the first line indication A, the second is also A. If third line I give indication B, the fourth line is also B. So the rhyming scheme of this stanza is A, B, B. So this is the rhyming scheme of the poem A, B, B. That you will see in your PDF nicely. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.